In this video, we're diving into the secrets of unlocking your skin's full potential naturally and effectively. And when it comes to natural remedies, few are as powerful or as versatile as turmeric. This golden spice is not just for your kitchen. You might know it as the golden spice that gives curry its vibrant color, adding a burst of flavor to your favorite dishes. But did you know that turmeric has been a cornerstone of traditional medicine for centuries? It's been used in Ayurvedic and Chinese medicine for its healing properties. Today, we're diving deep into the science behind its incredible benefits, specifically for your skin. Researchers have found that turmeric contains curcumin, a compound with powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Get ready to discover 7 amazing benefits of turmeric for your skin and how to use it. From reducing acne and scarring to brightening your complexion, turmeric can do wonders. Stay tuned as we explore each benefit in detail and show you how to incorporate this magical ingredient into your skincare routine. Whether you're dealing with dryness, dullness, or breakouts, turmeric has something to offer for everyone. So let's get started on this journey to healthier, glowing skin. Acne scars can be frustrating, right? They can affect your confidence and make you feel self-conscious about your skin. But don't worry, there's hope. But turmeric might be your new secret weapon. This golden spice, often found in your kitchen, has been used for centuries in traditional medicine. It contains curcumin, a powerful compound with proven anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. These properties are what make turmeric so effective in treating various skin conditions. These properties help reduce redness and inflammation associated with acne, while also promoting skin regeneration. When applied to the skin, turmeric can help soothe irritation and speed up the healing process. This means that turmeric can help fade those stubborn acne scars over time, revealing smoother, clearer skin. Consistent use can lead to noticeable improvements in skin texture and tone, and the research backs it up. Numerous studies have highlighted the benefits of curcumin in skincare. Studies have shown that curcumin can significantly improve the appearance of acne scars. So, why not give turmeric a try and see the difference it can make for your skin? We've all experienced it. That unwanted redness that can make us feel self-conscious. Whether it's due to irritation, inflammation, or skin conditions like rosacea, turmeric can help. Remember curcumin, that amazing compound we talked about? It works its magic by calming down those angry, inflamed skin cells. This anti-inflammatory action helps reduce redness and even out your skin tone, leaving you with a healthy, natural glow. Let's face it, we all want to age gracefully, and turmeric can be a valuable ally in that journey. Its potent antioxidant properties are key here. Antioxidants protect your skin from damage caused by free radicals, those unstable molecules that contribute to premature aging. By neutralizing these free radicals, turmeric helps prevent wrinkles, fine lines, and age spots. Think of it as giving your skin a fighting chance against the test of time. For those dealing with skin conditions like eczema and psoriasis, turmeric offers a ray of hope. These conditions are characterized by inflammation and irritation, leading to itchy, dry, and often painful patches of skin. Turmeric's anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties work together to soothe and calm the skin, reducing flare-ups and providing much-needed relief. It's like giving your skin a comforting hug. Want to brighten up your complexion and achieve that coveted natural glow? Well, turmeric's got you covered. Its brightening properties help even out skin tone and reduce the appearance of hyperpigmentation, those pesky dark spots that can appear on the skin. This is especially beneficial for people with uneven skin tone or those recovering from acne scars. Turmeric can help reveal brighter, more radiant skin naturally. Scraped your knee? Got a minor cut? Turmeric can be your go-to natural remedy for wound healing. Its antiseptic and antibacterial properties help prevent infection, while its anti-inflammatory action reduces swelling and redness. But that's not all. Turmeric also promotes collagen production, a key protein that helps heal wounds and minimize scarring. It's like giving your body a helping hand in the healing process. We all know the importance of protecting our skin from the sun's harmful UV rays, and turmeric can provide an extra layer of defense. While it's not a substitute for sunscreen, turmeric contains compounds that can absorb UV radiation, reducing its damaging effects on the skin. This means less sun damage, fewer wrinkles, and a lower risk of skin cancer. Think of turmeric as your skin's personal bodyguard against the sun. So there you have it. 7 amazing benefits of turmeric for your skin. From fighting acne scars to protecting against sun damage, turmeric is a versatile ingredient that can be used in various ways. This golden spice is a true skincare superhero. It not only helps in reducing inflammation, but also brightens your complexion. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to seeing results. Regular use of turmeric can lead to significant improvements in your skin's texture and tone, so incorporate turmeric into your skincare routine. You can mix it with honey, yogurt, or even aloe vera to create a soothing face mask. Watch your skin transform over time. The natural antioxidants in turmeric help to rejuvenate your skin, making it look youthful and radiant. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Your support means a lot and helps us create more content like this. Share it with your friends. They might also benefit from these amazing turmeric tips and tricks, and don't forget to leave a comment below. I love reading your feedback and learning about your skincare journeys. Let me know which benefit you're most excited to try. Whether it's reducing acne scars or brightening your skin, I want to hear all about it. Until next time, stay healthy and keep glowing. Remember, your skin is a reflection of your overall health, so take good care of it.